Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second video under the series coordinate geometry. So if you haven't watched the first video, I would recommend you to first watch the first video, okay, which is the midpoint between 2 points. So the second one in this series of coordinate geometry is distance between 2 points. Alright, so to find the distance between 2 points, let's say you have x1, y1 and x2, y2. To find the distance between these 2 points, we'll simply use, let's say this one is A, this one is point B. So to find the distance between these points A and B, okay, we will need to find the square root of their differences in points, which is x2 minus x1 close bracket squared plus y1 minus y2 minus y1 squared, okay, the square root of this. Okay, so this is the formula when you have 2 points. So for example, find the distance between AB, of which if A is 9,5 and B, you are given B as 3,13. Okay, so this is not an issue. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. The formula is AB is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 close bracket squared plus y2 minus y1 close bracket squared. This is the formula. So AB is equal to the square root of x2, according to this, is 3 minus x1 9 close bracket squared plus y2 is 13 minus 5, which is y1 squared, then the square root of this. 3 minus 9 is negative 6 squared plus 13 minus 5 is 8, okay, squared. Now negative 6 squared, it means negative 6 times negative 6, which will be positive 36. 8 times 8 is 64. 36 plus 64 is 100. The square root of 100 is 10 units, and this is the answer. Let's look at the second example, okay, so that we become familiar with the distance between 2 points. Okay, let's say we are given JK if J is negative 5,4 and K is negative 2, negative 7. Okay, so to find JK will be the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, the root of this. All right, so make sure just write this is x1, y1, x2, y2. All right, in order to so that you don't forget. So JK is equal to, let's substitute, x2 is negative 2 minus x1 is negative 5 squared plus y2 is negative 7 minus y1 is just positive 4 squared. the root of this. Okay, negative times negative here is positive. So in other words, we have negative 2 plus 5, which is positive 3. So we have 3 squared. Plus, when you look at this is negative 7 minus 4. When you have two negative numbers, just add and get the common sign, which is negative 11, in this case 11 squared. Okay, negative 3 squared is 9, plus 11 squared is 121. 9 plus 121 is 130. Okay, since 130 is not a perfect square, then this is the answer, the root of 130. All right. Okay, so that's all for this. Let's meet in the third lesson, where we'll be finding the gradient between 2 points.